excited to view your apartment?
Oh my god.
Wow!
Wow, this is insane.
Congrats!
Does this come with the unit? I'm kidding. That comes with the unit. You guys are skipping on the bonuses. This is gonna be the unit. Yes. It's how many square meters? For the water bills or check out.
Oh, that's nice!
And it's the kind of
The
shower
best,
like
like the rain.
the janitors put this out.
Here is in the box, so later we will test that. Yes. So it's double lock.
Okay, so we are here at my newly turned over unit. It is under Robinson's Land Corporation. Really nice place. Turn on lights. So this is the view we have. I don't know if you can see it because of the light. That's Eastwood. Those buildings over there, that's Eastwood. Off the top of my head, we're gonna be putting a lower ceiling here to cover this up and maybe put the PCs here, the workstations, both of them. And because there's a lower ceiling, we can put probably some light bulbs there for some ambiance since we're gonna be shooting lots of vlogs here.